In today's recipe, we let the sun do the cooking. It's an ancient fermented drink similar to kombucha for its natural probiotics. Instead of tea, this one comes alive with vegetables, mustard, salt, and sun. You'll even see a gentle fizz when you pour it into your cup. Drinking it leaves you feeling refreshed, energized, and surprisingly light. To start, peel the skin off one small beetroot. Then slice them into thin sticks. The thinner, the better, so that the fermentation happens faster. Do the same with the carrot, slicing it thinly. Thin pieces help the friendly bacteria grow faster. Next, we need yellow mustard. Grind it into powder using a blender. Trust me, the mortar takes forever. Use a sterilized jar for your fermented tonic and start by adding the beetroot sticks first, followed by carrot sticks. Then add the ginger juliennes. They give a gentle spice and help speed up fermentation. Add the powdered yellow mustard. It wakes up the bacteria and adds a subtle tang. Then add the black salt. It not only enhances the tangy flavor, but also feeds the good bacteria, helping the tonic ferment beautifully. Add a little sea salt too. It balances the flavor and creates the perfect environment for the friendly bacteria to thrive. And the final ingredient is water. Make sure it's boiled and cooled before adding, so it's clean and safe, giving the bacteria a happy home to start growing. Use a wooden spoon to mix. It's gentle on the bacteria and keeps the tonic happy. Close the lid gently. Then place it in the sun, letting it bask for about 6 hours each day. Repeat this for the next 3 days. After 3 days, open the jar. It should smell tangy, earthy, with a hint of boiled egg. Give it a gentle stir with a glass rod or a wooden spoon. Use a ladle to scoop out the kanji, leaving the beetroot and vegetables behind. First, collect the kanji in a clean glass before pouring it into bottles. Wash a bottle with soapy water, rinse with hot water to sterilize, and dry it before adding the kanji. The kanji should be a vibrant ruby red, bright and lively. This shows beetroot and carrots have released their natural color and the fermentation is active. Refrigerate and it stays fresh up to 2 weeks. The kanji is delicious on its own, but I'm going to show you how to turn it into a refreshing kanji spritzer. Smash 3 mint leaves gently between your palms to release their aroma. Add the smashed mint leaves into a glass filled with ice cubes. Then pour half a cup of the kanji over the ice and mint. Squeeze half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Finally, top it off with half a cup of soda to make it a fizzy kanji spritzer. Squeeze a lemon peel to release a fresh, zesty spritz. Give it a gentle final mix and your refreshing kanji spritzer is ready to enjoy. Drink half a cup every day to keep your gut happy and healthy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious Indian recipes.